Hi guys, so in this video you will learn about the any function, not any function, but the function called any. Alright, so as you can see here, we got the two lists, data1 and data2, and in the data1 we have none, 0, an empty string, and the name Mark, and in data2 we have none, 0, an empty list, and an empty string, or an empty string and an empty list. So basically how this function works, if you have seen the previous video about the all function, I explained about the boolean function. This basically works the same, but instead of checking if all values are true, it checks if any value in this list is true. So if you want to see like if any value in this list is true, you basically pass it to this function and it will tell you, yeah, true or false. Yeah, so if that's yes or no. So in this example, let's run it. So we got true and false. So first we are asking, is there any true value in this data one? It would go check. Okay, none would return false. 0 would return false. Empty string would return false. Mark would return true, and we are just asking if any, like, is there any of those that return true? So Mark would return true, so that will return true because there is indeed one item, even one item that returns true. In the second case, which is data 2, we have all false values, so there is basically no data that is true. So basically we would return false. So the any function, when you pass a list like this, it would return false. Peace out.